Let me tell you a brutal truth about web development in 2026. Most junior developers can build beautiful pages, but they completely break when asked to build a form. And guess what? Forms are where the money is. Logins, payments, signups, SaaS dashboards, every billion-dollar product lives or dies on forms. And here's the problem. Most tutorials still teach forms like it's 2012. No accessibility, no native validation, no modern UX. Today, you're going to build production-level HTML forms using modern standards, native browser validation, and semantic structure. No frameworks required. By the end of this video, you'll build a smart, accessible, professional form that would pass a real code review. Open VS Code and create a new file called forms2026.html. If you're using Copilot or Cursor, this is where they shine. Forms have tons of attributes. AI saves time, but you still need to understand what it generates. Inside the body, add a simple heading for our project. Everything starts with the form tag. It literally tells the browser, user data is being collected here. In real apps, forms send data to servers. Today we focus on structure, usability, and validation, the stuff that makes you look senior in code reviews. Now, the most underrated HTML tag, the label. Labels are accessibility, usability, and professionalism, all in one. When a label is connected to an input, screen readers work properly, the clickable area becomes bigger, and your UX improves instantly. And notice the required attribute. That's native validation, no JavaScript. No libraries, just the browser doing work for you. If you just realized HTML can validate forms without JavaScript, hit subscribe. This course is full of unfair advantages like this. Okay, let's add some styling to make this form make sense. Let's add real sign-up inputs. Passwords automatically hide text. Number inputs prevent invalid typing. Date inputs give you native calendars. Color inputs give you a full color picker. Each one gives you UI, accessibility, mobile optimization, and validation for free. That's why great developers always start with native HTML first. Quick pause. If you want to save time while practicing, I've added takeaway summaries and ready-to-use code snippets below the video. Use them while coding along. Next, checkboxes and radio buttons. Radio buttons are for single choice. Checkboxes are for multiple choices. And here's a pro move. Use Fieldset and Legend to group related inputs. This is accessibility gold. And yes, real companies absolutely check for this. Now let's talk about longer text inputs. Textarea is perfect for bios, descriptions, or messages. Dropdown selects are perfect when you want controlled options. And now, power feature most beginners don't know about, Datalist. Datalist gives autocomplete suggestions without needing JavaScript. Super fast, super clean, super modern. Let's add file uploads. File inputs are everywhere. Job applications, profile photos, verification systems, and now range sliders. Range inputs instantly make your UI feel modern and interactive. And please, never forget the submit button. Yes, I have forgotten this in production before. Yes, it was embarrassing. Quick question for you. Do you prefer native HTML validation or custom JavaScript validation, and why? Tell me in the comments. Now look at what you built. Zero JavaScript, fully functional, accessible, validated, and this is a real production-ready foundation. This is how professionals start building forms. Now your challenge, build a job application form that includes name, email, portfolio, URL, experience radio buttons, skills multi-checkbox, resume upload, availability date picker. If you can build that, you're already ahead of most beginners. Remember this forever. Label everything. Use native validation first. Group related inputs with Fieldset. Let the browser do the heavy lifting. Take the quiz in the description to lock this knowledge into your brain. If this video helped you feel like a real developer today, like the video and share it with someone learning web development. Next episode, images, video tables, and how not to destroy your site performance. I'll see you there.